Hello, a very blissful morning to all my loving students. How's it going? Well, nice. I am Ojashwini and you are watching General Knowledge of 5th Standard. So, guys, I wish that you all are safe, healthy, and stay at home. Don't go outside, okay? Because this time you have to keep safe yourself. It is your responsibility, is it? So, when you are suffering from any problems like stomach ache or viral infections, so which doctor you go? Physician. Yes, it is right. And if you are suffering from red eyes or panic eyes, so which doctor you go? Eye specialist. Yes, but any other name we can call an eye specialist? Don't know. Okay, so no worries. In today's class, we will learn it. When we are sick, we consult a doctor. The doctor diagnoses our diseases and give us medicines. For specific diseases, we consult a specialist doctor. So, we will learn name of some specialist doctors with the treatment they provide us in today's class. So, let's get going. Chapter 13 Helpful Doctors, and through a small video clip we will know the name of specialist doctors. The first one is audiologist, help patient with ear problems. The next one, allergist, treat different kinds of allergies like hay fever, asthma, etc. Next, andrologist, diagnosis and treating disorders related to the male reproductive system. The next one is anesthesiologist. They study anesthesia and anesthetic medicines. The next is cardiologist, doctors of heart. Then dentist, concerned with dental health, teeth and dental problems. The next one is dermatologist, studies the skin. Then endocrinologist, studies disorder of the endocrine system and their glands like thyroid problems and other such hormonal imbalances. Now, the epidemiologists come up with ways of prevention of diseases through vaccinations. Like when you are small, you take many vaccinations for chickenpox, smallpox, hepatitis B, etc. The next one is gastroenterologist and studies diseases of digestive system. The next one is gynecologist, treats diseases of the female reproductive system. Then hematologist studies blood and its diseases. Then hepatologist, he treats diseases of the liver. Hepatologist. The next one is immunologist, studies the immune system. And when our immune system is strong, so no disease attack. When our immune system is weak, we are suffering from many disease. So for making strong your immune system, you have to take some food that is full of immunity, like peanuts, soya bean, paneer and pulses, milk, and many more things that are full with immunity. Also Chyawanprash. The next one is medical genetics, that is treats patient with genetic diseases. The next is microbiologist, studies causes, diagnosis, and treatment of infectious diseases. The next one is neonatologist, premature and critically ill newborn babies. Next, nephrologist treats kidney diseases. Next, neurologist who treat the brain. Neurosurgeons treat central and peripheral nervous system. So guys, there is a difference between a neurologist and a neurosurgeon. Neurologist is like a physician of brain and nervous system, but neurosurgeon, he is or she is operating the brain or our nervous system. The next, obstetrician, expert with childbirth, ovarian tumors, pelvic region, etc. Then, oncologist, treating cancer patients. Then, ophthalmologist, takes care of eyes and different eyes surgeries. I asked that if you have an eye problem, red eye or panic eye, to which doctor you go? And you told eye specialist. So the one word for eye specialist is ophthalmologist, or we can also call them oculist. OCCULIST, oculist. The next one is orthopedic surgeons, concerned with the skeleton system, the bones. Now, ENT specialist. An ENT specialist treat the ear, the nose, and the throat. This field is also known as otolaryngology. The next one is parentologist, treating high risk pregnancies. The next one is paleopathologist, and they study of ancient diseases. The next one is parasitologist, the study of parasites and parasitic diseases. Then pediatricians, and they treat medical problems of infants, children and adolescents, like in Fatehpur, Dr. Umrao and Dr. R.P. Singh. They are pediatricians. Plastic surgeon, the doctor who performs cosmetic surgery. There is a difference in dermatologist and in plastic surgeon. Dermatologist give us medicines and some is small like radiation, oxalation. They are doing these small treatments, but plastic surgeon is operating the skin. The next one is podiatrist, who treats disorder of the foot and ankle. Then psychiatrist, and treatment of mental illness and behavioral disorders. The next one is pulmonologist, who diagnoses and treats lungs. The next one is radiologist, use of X-ray or other imaging technologies. Next one, rheumatologists treat allergic conditions. The next one is surgeons. A surgeon performs operations. Then urologists who studies the urinary tract infection. So we learn lots of names of specialist doctors, and I hope this will help you to complete the exercise of chapter 13. So guys, do you know Dr. Prithvi Gopal of Bangalore is the first woman in aerospace medicine. Her research work enabled her to determine whether a fighter pilot is medically and mentally fit to fly or not. So, this is your work that discuss and answer. Raman is a doctor. He works in a hospital in Mumbai. Every Sunday, he visits the nearby slums and treats the sick without any charges. So, would you have done the same if you were Raman? Why or why not? Discuss with yourself, not others. Because you have to do this, so you have to decide. So, discuss with yourself and comment me in the comment box. So, your today's homework is it is not homework because you are already in home. It is misprint. What is your writing work? So your today's writing work is match the following specialist with the treatment they provide. Okay, so complete it and thank you. Have a nice day.